Hi, it's Susan. Welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate you taking some time out of your busy day to spend some time with me. Today I've got another episode of Make-Aheads. What is a Make-Ahead? Well, for me, a Make-Ahead is anything that can save me some time when I'm diving into a really big project. So lately I've been working on some large journals, some 3-signature juicy jumbo journals, and they have a lot of ephemera and a lot of text spots. And so to save myself some time, if I had had some of these done up ahead of time, it would have been a lot quicker for me to put this journal together. Alas, I did not have those done ahead of time. So learn from my experiences and make life a little bit easier on you. So these are all spread out here, some of the things that I like to put in my journal to add to the pages. And what you can do with the Make-Ahead is you can have it as a finished project. So these are just little journaling cards. These are pictures I've printed out. And I've just stitched to some cardstock, and they're just great little things that I can tuck into tuck spots or use, with my paper clips. And I've got a video coming up soon about where I find all my images for people to use. So make sure you are already subscribed. If you are not already subscribed, be sure that you hit that button so that you can be notified when that video comes out. One of the other things for journaling spots would be just to take some of your offcuts of your tea-dyed paper and just fold them into little strips like that. And you can ink around the edges, and these are really great for me to tuck under one of my little paper clips. And then if you want to get really fancy, you can do a little bit of stitching. And then when you have your theme for your journal planned out, then if you want to go ahead and decorate it to go with your theme, you can. But if not, I would really like to get in the habit of having some of these things done up ahead of time. Then if you want to get a little fancier, you can do like I did with the belly bands, and you can glue a napkin down to, it's just the same sort of a piece of tea-dyed paper, but you glue your napkin down to it, and then I stitched around it and folded these guys up. And they were really great little, I'll show you how I use them in this journal. And then one of the other things I do is I cut these corner pieces. I think Yvonne Preston was the first person I saw do this. And, it's just making a corner, and then they can go into your books either direction, and you've got a little tuck spot here. And so sometimes I will just put them in my journal like that, and then I will collage on them. Sometimes I will go ahead and stitch around them, or sometimes I will completely cover them with a napkin, say like this is covered with a napkin, and so I've got a little bit of decoration on there, and I can still go ahead and add to it if I want to. And then another thing I like to do ahead of time is envelopes. This is one of the few times I use any kind of scrapbook paper. I'm trying to use it up by making some envelopes. And then you can do a little decoration on it with your theme if you know. And if not, you can have the envelope ready and decorate, as you know what the theme is for your journal. Unless you're just doing a bunch of eclectic journals. But let's see, I marked a couple things in here. So this is the same thing as this, but I glued it down. So now I've got a little tuck spot there. And then, let's see. Oh, and this is one of my corner ones. So it's also a tuck spot, but then it comes up and you can write on it there. And then, what else do we have? Oh, and then this is one of the copy dyed ones. And I had stitched around it and just glued it into the journal. So I've got a tuck spot, and then I just add a little bit of a collage on it. So those are just some simple things you can do for Make-Aheads to have ready to go the next time you're working on a big project. And, oh, I'm collapsing my set all around here. Boy, that was almost really exciting. I would have screeched and the dog would have barked and you all would have wondered what was going on. Maybe not. I might not have uploaded the video. But I'm going to go ahead and call this one D for done. I'm going to go work on some more ephemera so I can get this journal finished and do a video of it before I ship it out to the client. And then you'll be able to see what I've been working on. I will see you next time. We are very close to 500 subscribers. And at 500 subscribers, I am going to do a subscriber-only giveaway for a small handmade journal. So if you're not already a subscriber, maybe think about clicking on that button. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye for now.